back to Hard Work with Matt. If you caught my last video, you know that we ripped up our garden area, ripped out the fences. We had a walkway in here, took all that out. We're going to repurpose this area, make it a pig pen. So today we're going to get to work. We're going to start putting the fence back out. I'm going to reuse the T-posts, the metal fencing. I'm going to try and put a board along the bottom to try and keep them in a little bit better, and see how far we can get. We got some nice 80-degree weather in April, so that's pretty awesome. Gonna try and enjoy it while we have it, and see how far we can get. So we got one side of the fence up so far. I'll show you guys what I got going on here. We're just putting the wire on the inside of the T-post. That way when he pushes on it, it's not going to push away from the T-post. At the bottom here, just putting a U-bolt around, see if we can see it, the back side of the T-post, holding that board on there. That way when he's rooting around the bottom, he can't just push out the back. Haven't quite decided. I think on these seams I'm going to put another board either in front or behind them, just to kind of reinforce that a little bit, so we can't push that past the T-posts. But that's pretty much where we're at. I'll double up the posts on the corners, one for each side, and then we'll just continue our way around and probably work on that side next, then connect the two, and we'll have to figure out a gate for up here. But there he is, still enjoying his freedom. Loves keeping my grass mowed for me, so that's kind of helpful. We'll get back to work and see how far we can get this evening. All right, so got the posts in. Truffle is in here enjoying his new pen already. Next up, I need to go ahead and trim those pieces of plywood down. We used them for the ice rink. I'm gonna trim them down to match the 1x8 that we're using. So I'll go cut those down and then get back to putting the fence up. got the fencing put up, just working on closing off the front here. This post's gonna be for a gate. I got a 4-foot gate to put up here. Wanted to use the T-post, didn't really want to go post here. Not sure how permanent this is actually going to be right here, so just something temporary. Got these T-post hinges off of Amazon. They're actually a lot better built than I thought they would be. We're going to go ahead and use these to hang the gate on the T-post. They really will go on, put the T-post any way you need it. They're notched out to go any direction, really. You just slide it on, and it's got a lock screw to hold it in place. Just grabs one of the nubs on the T-post. Then put the gate in the bottom. That one goes upside down on top, and I think I'm one too high down here, so go ahead and move that down one. Put that one on. There we go. And then this one will just lock in the same way. Get that tightened up. Animals can't lift it out of place, and the gate will open and close. They're actually pretty cool. We'll see how they work in the long run, and I'll let you know. So I think I finally got the pig kennel here wrapped up. Moved around all the T-posts. Got the wire fencing back up. Put a 1x8 around the bottom just so he can't push through the fence. Got a gate over here. Use those gate clips there. Those have worked out pretty well. I'm gonna get cleaned up. Supposed to rain here for the next couple days, so won't be able to get them out in it quite yet, but hopefully once the rain stops we can get them over here and out of our backyard over there.